Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be on the Camaro today. So I've ordered some stuff for the Camaro and we're going to be installing it today. I'm going to show you what I got. It's right here. We're going to be installing some new LED lights on the Camaro. So I always wanted these lights right here. I think it looks good in the front. We just got to find a place to put it, mount it, turn it on, and you know the drill. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this started. The car hasn't been washed. So I'm definitely gonna have to clean the front grille. So to give too much away, let me show you what I've got. And it's gonna go somewhere in this front grille. So this is what I got. It is by Lightning Trends. It's by Lightning Trends. Let me show you. Let me show y'all guys. Okay, so this right here is what I got, guys. That we will, hold on, I don't think y'all can see me. Hold on a second. Let me back this thing up a little bit. All right, guys, this right here is what I got. Like I say, it's by Lightning Trends. So we're gonna be installing my LED Chevrolet sign in front of the Camaro. It comes with, let's see what this is. This is the, I think this might be the control. Let me see. Let's open this up. It comes with this. It's a light. I don't know what this is. I think it's for the Bluetooth. Or this might be for the Bluetooth. No, this is for the Bluetooth. It stays on the box. And it comes with this right here. So we're gonna be installing this today on the Camaro. So let's get started. So before I get started, I want to find a place to put it. But I'm gonna wipe this grill down because it's got a lot of bugs. I was gonna do some alcohol, but I had it ceramic coated, and I really don't want to mess anything up. I'm gonna wipe this down, and we're gonna find a spot for it. I want it right in this area right here. So let's see where it's got. So this is the area where I want it. I want it probably right here. Yep. Let's see if we can find it. So basically I want it about right here. I think it should be looking good. I think right there should be good. Yep. So we'll get this mounted about probably right there. I think it'll look good right there. So let's get it started. So let me go ahead and pop the hood. All right, so we're gonna have to find some wiring. We'll have to do some wiring inside here. I'll probably run it through here. But before I do that, before I do any wiring or anything, I wanna make sure, I wanna test and make sure everything works. So I'm gonna get everything out of the package. So I got the light, I got this. Then I got the Bluetooth controller right here. So only thing I have to do, I just got to hook up the hot wire, ground wire, hook it up to the battery and to the ground. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna hook this up and see if it's to see if it works. So It shouldn't be that easy. It shouldn't be that hard. So we'll see. Guys, I'm sorry about the wind noise, but let me press this real quick, like that. So what I'm doing now, I'm getting my negative and my positive wired together. And it comes with some so it comes with this right here. The kit comes with these right here. So we're gonna put that, install that. Let me drop it right there. I don't want to put it up right because my luck, it'll fall in there. I can't get it out. So I'm gonna hook the red to the red. Clamp it. Let me go get a better pair of these right here. So I'll be right back. So I found a better tool, a bit bigger. You know what I'm doing? Just clamping these connections down. All right. So I'm going to test this real quick, make sure everything works before I install these lights. So let me do that now. So inside this panel, I'm gonna use this right here. If I can get this thing open, and plus there's a little spot right here. I think it's for my, that's where they hook my methanol up. So I'm gonna tie into this ground right here. And I think this is the ground to the body too, so that's good. That makes it perfect. So let me see if I can get this cap off. Okay. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna hook this up yet. So this is gonna go to this. Let's see if I can get y'all down here. That's not the one. Man, there's all kind of fittings on this thing. So I'm gonna have to pick, hold on. Oh, okay, I see now. All right, so we're gonna do this one right here. And this is, I got the wrong end. My fault, I got the wrong end. So, okay, got that connected. I'm gonna hook this up to the lights, LED light, the bow tie light. And then I'm going to hook it up to all right, so we see that right there, it's working. All right, so everything is working, so we're time to install this. So as you can see, we got this working right here. So I'm gonna unhook everything, so I know it's working. And then I got this right here from, since I'm gonna be putting it behind the grill, I want everything black. So I got this right here from AutoZone. So this right here is the braided, the wire loom. So it can make it look, so you won't basically see this red, I don't know if y'all could tell, it's a red wire. It's red and black. So this just to give it a little clean look. So let me unhook this. And then we're gonna try to hide that wire a little bit. So see if we can get this going. All right. gonna have the wire inside here. So you see, and inside here. This should be a quick install, but you know your boy. Something always happens. All right. So I'm getting it all done, slowly but surely. So let me turn it back on after I get this done the way I want it. So far I got the loom on the emblem, the bow tie emblem. Right now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to run this wire. There's a space right in here I can go to. I think it's the route I'm going to go. So I don't know if I can reach that wire or not, but it needs to be all the way over here. So I'm going to try to get that wire all the way over here so I can hook the Chevrolet sign emblem up. So I remember I had this long screwdriver when I was adjusting my son's headlights on that car. So I'm gonna try, before I do anything, what I do with it? There's a two-sided tape right here, what I'm gonna use. Then I'm gonna place it on this side right here so it can stick on that crash bar. I hope it'll work. Probably the weather or something like that will probably make it move. But until then, this is all I got. So I'll put that on that. Then I will install this like this. And then when it's time to install, I just stick this on this crash bar back here. But let's go ahead and get this thing mounted. Like I say, it might not even fit to put on that crash bar, but all right, let's see if we can get this thing done. I don't know if y'all can see me, but that wire right there. Let's go try to fish this through. Right there's where I want it. Right here. Then we're gonna connect this right here. All right. So we got that connected. So I'm not for sure where I want it. Let me look at that and see where I want it at. I think I want it more up here. Yeah, that's where I want it. I want it more up here. So let me redo this. Yeah. Awesome. Try to make sure y'all see me, guys, but all right, so we got that together. And then we're gonna wrap this around. Go. So, I think I want it probably somewhere in there. Let me back up and look at it and see. I'm gonna try to take it through this one right here. Let me do it again. y'all can hear that, but somebody's shooting. So, got that. So, basically, I want it probably about right there. Right there. Let me see. I gotta position this thing where I want it before I. Let's see, about right here. Kind of hard for me to do this, but without me stepping back, you got one right here. All right, let me fool around with this guy and I get back with y'all so I can put my final spot on there. So this is going to be the spot right here. This is where I'm going to leave it at. I kind of like the way it's tilted, the way it looked. So before I permanently mount this, I'm gonna go ahead and get my wiring and stuff, done. So I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this wiring over on this side right here. Let me show y'all guys. Let me bring y'all a little closer. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get my wiring from over here to over here with inside here. So after I figure it out, I turn it back on. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting this wire loom all the way around this wire because I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go behind this radiator a little bit. We're in front of the radiator. And this probably protected a little bit from everything getting hot or the wires or something burning or whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and just install all this, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, so I got the loom on. Thought I had another wire tie, a little small one. I don't know what I did with it, but trying to reach this inside here. This is behind the radiator and the condenser. Hopefully I can see it. I don't see it yet. Let's go this way. All right. So let me see if I can find out where I need to run this. I'll get back with y'all. So I finally found the opening right here. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it with electrical tape, and then I'm gonna pull it through where I want it. It's closer to the power where I need the ground and everything. So let's get this. Definitely want to mess up this connection, so I'm gonna wrap it pretty good. All right. So hopefully I could pull this through. There we go. There we go. And I think the loom is not trying to come through there. I think the space is just too tight. So we'll keep trying. If not, we probably just have to run the wire through there. Here it is. All right, let me get some pliers and see if I can, hold on. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So we got that going. So let me show you what I got going. So what I've done is I ran, right there is where, if you see that right there, that's where that controller right there is going to be mounted on there. That's where I got the two-sided tape. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's a 3M. So I should get some more, but until then, this is what we got. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move this over a little bit where I want it. If not, I'm just going to leave it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can find a good spot and mount that. All right, since I got the wire ran, I'm trying to get rid of some of this loose wire, so I'm just gonna wrap it up. Let's just wrap it up. I just need to cut that. Where's my tools at? Yes. All right, got that cut. I'm just going to tuck this back here, out of the way, and then we can run the ground and hot wire. So let me get that done. So I got it wired up. I got the hot wired up right here, and the ground wired here. And as you can see, it's working. So now I gotta just mount it to where I want it, and it'll be done. So let me do that. So what I'm doing now, like I say, it does have like a 3M backing tape, but I'm securing this down with fishing line right here. It's clear, you can't see it. So I did it here. I'm gonna do it here. Probably do it one more right here to hold it down, and probably one right there, and it should be done. So I got everything hooked up, and guys, that's it right there. That's it. And it does have different colors right there, but I'm gonna show you at nighttime. So right now, this is the color I picked, is blue. Yeah. So I'll show y'all more later on tonight. So right here is all the colors right here. So we'll show y'all tonight. So just give y'all a little sneak peek what it looks like. All right, this right here is, it's late at night, so I'm gonna give you different colors. So we'll see. All right, this might be the color I rock with. I'll probably do the red. It has the blue. I like the blue better, but it's really not dark enough to let me see what I want to change it to. So that's the red. And let me see if I get the other colors. Okay, right there is the green. Okay, right here is the blue. And the yellow. And here's the white. I don't know if y'all can see the emblem or anything, because really can't pick it up on this camera, but it's really nice. All right, so I'm gonna turn it to blue, take it around the block, and I'm gonna let y'all see the blue, and tell me what color y'all think y'all should put it on. But I'm gonna put it on blue for now. I like the white, but y'all let me know. So it does a lot of stuff. So I think this is for like car shows and stuff like that. You can strobe it if you want. And this is like 7 colors right here. Pretty neat. And it also could do different colors. They do different lights, and it could flash like that. Awesome. And it also do a strobe. If you want to do a strobe light. All right, guys, that's probably it for the video. I just want to show you the new feature I got on the car. I kind of like it. I always wanted one. I seen somebody on YouTube had one. I can't remember his name. Furious J, I think. Shout out to him if that's your name. But that's what I got on mine. And I kind of like it. So with that being said, guys, what color do y'all think I should stay to? You know, they got blue, red, green, whatever, yellow. Strobing, whatever. What color you think I should go with? Just rock all the time. I'm going blue. My son like red. So tell me what you want and I'll rock it. It don't matter. White. White looks good, but the white don't look good because my headlights and stuff are tinted and it the white's bright. So if I didn't have that tint on the light covers on my headlights, the white will look good, match everything. But the white just too bright. But you never know. So tell me what color you like, and I will rock it for a little while. And with that being said, guys, I'm out to the next one. Peace. Today we're going to be on the Camaro today. So I ordered some stuff for the Camaro. We're going to be right here. I think it looks good in the front. We just got to find it. So to give too much away, let me show you what I've got. It is by Lightning. By Lightning Trends. So we're going to be installing so it comes with this right here. The kit comes with these right here. Hold on. Oh, okay. Take it around the block, and I'm gonna let y'all see the blue and tell me what color y'all. All the time. I'm going blue. My son like red.
Like that video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell. Bye.